everyone, welcome back to my channel, the place to be where you can develop your creative skills. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the color theme tool for your editorial layouts or to just about any InDesign projects you have. And if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe for more design tips like this. Let's hop into InDesign. Color theme tool is a pretty cool tool in InDesign. When you're a designer, having consistent color scheme in your project is very important, and this tool makes it a whole lot easier. So let's take this for example. You have all these text, images, and shapes, and maybe you want to change the color of any of these objects or perhaps put some borders to these images by using the colors that are already in this layout. So how will you do that in the easiest way possible? Traditionally, we'd use the eyedropper tool, but the color theme tool is really neat and it selects the colors automatically. Let's see how this works. So if you click on a color theme tool, it's right here, and click on any of the images here, for example, this one, you'll notice that this changes. So this is the color theme tool palette, and it automatically pulls all hues out of there, and you can click on any of this arrow here too, to make it more colorful, bright, dark, deep, or muted. Also, there's a couple more options here. This one, you can add this theme to swatches, and the other one, you can add this theme to Adobe Library. So the first one, it will just add your current swatches, and if you have a different project, you won't see this color scheme anywhere. This only applies to your current project. However, the other option, which is adding to your Adobe Library, you will be able to use it to all of your other projects because it's universal. And you can check it right here in Window, Color, and Adobe Color Themes. So let's try adding this to our swatch. Just click on this one, this icon. And if you go to your swatches and go down, you'll see a new folder that says Colorful Theme here. And you'll be able to use all of these new colors that we just took from our color theme tool. So for example, if I wanted to create a border for this one, I can select this image, then change the thickness to maybe 2. And then I can change the stroke to any of the color that I just created. So maybe this. So there we go. And I can also use these colors to my shapes over here. So all I have to do is click the color theme tool here and then click on any of the colors. For example, maybe this. And then just click on the shape. There you go. So another way is to select the shape. For example, this. Select the shape and then go to your background fill. And just go down and select on the color that you want. So there you go. So basically, if you use this tool and click on a certain image, it's going to pull out the colors and create that color scheme for you. There you go. That's another quick and easy design style for you. And if you've got questions or comments, please drop those down below. And I hope you found this video useful. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this. See you in the next video. Bye!